Success is a function of persistence and the willingness to work hard for 22 minutes to make sense of something that most people would give up on after 30 seconds. Most people believe that success is purely a matter of skill or hard work. Albert Einstein and Bill Gates succeeded as a result of their innate genius and IQ. Malcolm Gladwell examined this question: whether the IQ and intelligence is required for success. The relationship between success and IQ works only up to a point. Once someone has reached an IQ of somewhere around 120, having additional IQ point does not seem to translate into any measurable real world advantage. Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell. An outlier is anyone or anything that lies far outside the normal range. In business, an outlier is a person more successful than the majority. The idea is this, that success is more commonly reached by chance than work, and talent is one that could change people's way of living and futures for the better. While talent and dedicated practice are required for success, early advantage and privileged social standing are what truly make the outliers. The author proposes that once a person has practiced his or her craft for 10,000 hours, they enter a threshold of genius through which fame and fortune become tangible possibilities. At that point, the person is talented enough or smart enough or capable enough to be truly successful. Outliers deal with exceptional people, especially those who are smart, rich and successful, and those who operate at the extreme outer edge of what is statistically plausible. Gladwell argues that success is not found by exceptional people, but instead is the result of individuals making the most of hidden advantages, extraordinary opportunities and cultural legacies. People who don't know their culture usually lack cultural identity, but they also lack the means to succeed in life. Cultural legacy determines someone's destiny and their means to success. Bill Gates mirrors Malcolm Gladwell's outlier ideas of 10,000 hours, special opportunity, and grit that led him to billionaire status. The ability to obtain 10,000 hours was standing right in front of Gates. He took those hours and ran with them. When looking at factors determining the stories of success, Gladwell wants to explore even the smallest of elements. Gladwell believes these elements accumulated over generations make specific demographics more likely to succeed than others. The culture we belong to and the legacies passed down by our forebears shape the patterns of our achievements in ways we cannot begin to imagine. 10,000 hours work out to be around 20 hours per week for 10 years. 10 years is a long time, but 20 hours a week isn't so bad, especially when you consider the average American watches 5 hours of television a day. Cultural legacy. A cultural legacy is the inheritance of cultural traits that influence our success or failure. They are often determined by cultural practices from centuries ago that have been passed down through each generation. Termites is a label that an early 20th century Stanford University professor of psychology used for the genius IQ boys he studied. Success does not happen in a vacuum. It is not based on intelligence, but on variety of factors. We could have many more successful people in our country if we accept the idea that it takes a village to make successes out of our children. Hard work and opportunity are more important than intelligence. Asian has developed a culture which excels at math, meaningfulness. The thing which you are doing have some meaning for you, some deep meaning. Expertise. This is different from success. It takes hard work of 10,000 hours of consistent practice to become expert at something. If you have the desire or the need, then you spend 10,000 hours. History. Your own genealogical history will have a huge impact on what you do, how you act regarding things. Culture. The culture you were raised in and the culture you live will determine your behavior to a large extent. Outlier people who excel have many others to thank, including family members who lived 2 or 3 generations before their birth. Success is the result of what socialists like to call accumulative advantage. In other words, what makes an individual an outlier is the accumulation of hard work, opportunity, and a little bit of luck. The book did the in-depth stories of Bill Gates, Bill Joy, Beatles, and more in an attempt to find the combination of advantages that these people enjoyed and made these people successful. We all think that success comes from talent and determination, but the author said that success does not completely rely on those factors.